What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be riding at Southfork MotoPlex in Litchfield, Kentucky. So we stopped at the gas station, got some ice, and we also got this. Alright, so we're actually pulling out. Someone was going too fast on the road and got us pulled over. Alright, so we just pulled up to the track here. We got our new canopy set up. We bought it yesterday from Academy and providing a lot of shade because it's really hot out. It's like 85 or something. But track, you can somewhat see it through there and through there. It's Southfork MotoPlex. All right, so we're getting ready to go out for practice, or just our motos. And the track is like wicked deep. Like I'm saying, like at least 1.5 feet of just mud. But there's been one big bike round, and then the 85s went out. And I didn't go out for a first big bike because of just how muddy it was. But I'm going out now because I think it's a little bit drier. All right, so we just got done with our first moto, and the track owner said that it was wet in a couple of spots, and the whole track is absolutely just nasty. And here's my bike. So I've got mud. This is after I've scraped it out of mud too. The thing is just filthy. I've got mud where my clutch pulls. I've got mud under my frame guards, all up in my skid plate. The whole bike is just filthy, and it's raining. So I'm honestly thinking we're just gonna pack it up and head home.
It's smoking like a fire.
Some kid definitely just blew his bike up, but look at all our boots. All right, so we just got done with our second moto. It was a lot better than the first time, and I think we may stick around for one more, but I'm thinking after the 85s and all of them go out, that it's gonna be super, super slippery because it's gonna be dry. So we're gonna wait and see if it's good after this for our third moto. But that second moto, I rode so good. I passed a ton of people. I mean, it was just a really good track. I mean, just had fun, honestly. So I'm sitting here editing, and I'm just gonna walk y'all through the situation. I'm the far left on the white bike. Kid behind me is Peyton Wolf on an 85. He's actually really quick, but the dude fell on the inside corner, and if you watch, I have to go and take outside because the inside was the only line to take. So I have to downshift a second about here, and I just literally just held it wide open and let her eat up the hill, and I finally got traction. Section I think I'd walk y'all through is this jump right here. I'm right there in the middle of the air, and this corner, the corner before it, there was 2 real bad ruts that were like pegs deep, and I thought I could make through it in the third gear, and I didn't, and that happened. right, so we just got done with Moto 3 today. It's gonna be my last moto. I super sore. I was just getting sketchy all over the track, and I went into a rut, and I came in too fast because usually I could rail that rut and almost drag my bars, but I came in too fast, and my front tire washed over the wall of the rut, and I just slid out. So that's today's video, and thanks for watching. All right, so I'm actually done here at Southfork, but I'm gonna go get some clips with my buddy Tanner. He rides a YZ85, and he should be coming up right here. We're close. All right, now that Tanner, Cade, and Jackson, all my teammates on 85, they're all done here at Southfork. So we're gonna load up and ride home. So we're loading up here, and we're gonna head to Dairy Barn, which is actually one of our traditions. After we ride Southfork, we head to Dairy Barn and get milkshakes. So we stopped at the Dairy Barn and we got our milkshakes. It's our tradition that we have after we ride Southfork. We get milkshakes from the Dairy Barn, and I got the peanut butter chocolate, and it is outstanding. So we just got back from the track. Bike isn't terribly dirty, but it was cake out there today, and it was pretty nasty. But we'll get the bikes washed up, and that'll be this video. So this is what it was like today. The mud would cake up real bad on my foot pegs, and I literally had that much to ride on, and it was a little hard to keep my feet on the pegs, but I would go like that and click it out. And here comes my dog to see me. Hey, boy. Hey, baby girl. All right, so we just finished washing the bike. It's all clean, looking good. There's literally like mud just puddled up. So that's how much mud was on it. But it's clean now. And that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching. It was a rough day at the track, you know. Track wasn't good in the morning, and then it was good in the afternoon. And then later in the day it wasn't good. But we set ourselves up to ride good for each moto. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. This is where the video stops.